Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find any kind of video. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day, from 10 to 20 videos per day. So yeah, I obviously I will appreciate it if you subscribe and like. And yeah, it shows that you're valuing my work. So basically, right here we have 1 inch and Tether token with the stable coin. Basically, 1 inch is sitting at price of right around 2.83, $2.83. Today we are up 11 cents, or approximately 4.16%. So we're fluctuating a lot, and as you can see, we are slowly moving into the buy zone and into the area, the support area at right around $3.30. Let's see if we break through that, but if we don't, like, basically that's the time, that's the area that you want to buy. But today we're having a bullish candle. So let's just see if we're gonna be surpassing these lines right here. If we're gonna be surpassing the $3.10 mark, surpassing these highs right here, even these, and we just don't ever hit this. But yeah, like, we will see what will be happening. And this is basically pretty much the same thing, that I don't want to repeat myself over and over again. I just want to say my new opinions. This is the daily update, the quite fresh and quick update about 1 inch token, not 1 inch. And yeah, this is how the chart is moving. We will see what will be happening with my prediction overall. If you wanna support the channel, just smash and like the video. It will help me out a lot. And if you wanna earn some free stuff, free money, basically there are affiliate links. Go into the links in the description down below. And this is basically it. Thank you guys so much for your time. Make sure to subscribe so you wanna stay in touch with the 1 inch. And yeah, thank you so much for your time. Peace out and have a great day.